Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Hello everybody! How are you doing today? Today I have a surprise for you guys. Would you like to see my surprise? Yeah? I'm going to get my bubble. Ta-da! I am going to blow these bubbles for you guys. Are you excited?
Yes!
Yeah? Okay. If you don't know me, this is Antoinette Hunter from Amazing Grove. Yay! I have my bubbles. I'm going to open. 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 Oh, bubble, bubble, bubbles, 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 bubble, bubble, bubbles. I wanna pop, pop. I wanna pop, pop. Pop the bubbles. Bye, bubbles. Now, my next surprise is my hello song to all of you. And that song is Hello, how are you? Because I want to know how you're doing today. I want to know if you're happy
Yay!
or you're sad. Today, I have our friends. If you're not happy, I want to make you happy with our friends. Would you like to see them?
Yes!
Yes? Okay. Close your eyes. Peek-a-boo. Ta-da! We have our Sissy here today. Our Sissy is here today. Sissy, are you going to sing for us today? Yes, yes. Okay. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? It's good to see. Goofy here is good to see. Minnie Mouse here is good to see. Donald Duck here, how are you today? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? It's good to see. Spider-Man here is good to see. Mickey Mouse here is good to see. Minnie Mouse here, how are you today? How are you today, everybody? I see my friends are all happy being here today. So, Minnie Mouse looks really, really nice. I like to see you looking so nice and happy. Good job, Minnie Mouse. Mwah. So, today, guys, our friends just wanted to stop by to say hello. So they're going to go home now and stay with their mommies and daddies so we can continue our lesson for today. Just with our friend Sissy. Yay! Hey guys, our friends went home. They will be back next time, okay?
Okay.
Today, we are going to be learning our vowels. Yes, Sissy? Yes. What are vowels? Vowels are letters of the alphabet. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet and 26 letters of the alphabet.
Wow!
That's amazing!
You are very smart. You mean there are 26 letters of the alphabet? Yes! And 5 vowels?
Wow!
Wow, that is cool. Let's learn our vowels. First, we are going to start with the short vowel sound. And then the long vowel sound.
Perfect!
The short vowel sound takes the name of the sound.
Incredible!
And the long vowels takes the name of the letter.
Wow!
Really, Sissy? Yes. Okay. Can you say that one more time so I can be sure? Yes? Okay. Yes.
Excellent.
The short vowels takes the sound of the letters of the alphabet. And we only have 5 vowels. And the long vowels take the name of the letter. Wow, that is well said. So the short vowels take the name of the sound. The long vowel takes the name of the letter. The short vowel takes the name of the sound. And the long vowels take the name of the letter. So we're going to go over the short vowels. A, E, O, A for apple, apple. E for egg, egg. I for iguana, iguana. O for octopus, octopus. U for umbrella, umbrella. Good job! Yay! Do you want me to say the short vowel sound one more time? Yes. A, apple. Did you hear the A sound? The A is the short vowel. The next word is egg. It starts with the letter E, but it begins with the E sound. Egg. Did you hear that? Yes. The E sounds make the E sound. The E makes the E sound. And the next vowel is the I, which is the E sound. That's a short vowel, it makes the E sound. Iguana. And the next vowel is octopus. Octopus, which is the letter O. The last one is the U. Umbrella. Umbrella. So we have A, E, O, 5. Those are the short vowel sound. Now we're going to go over the long vowel sound. The long vowel takes the name of the letter. Yay! Now let's start. A for apron. E for easel. I for ice cream. O for overall. And U for unicorn. Yay! Now we're going to learn the long vowel sound one more time. It takes the name of the letter. A for apron. E for easel. I for ice cream. O for overall. U for unicorn. Good job.
Wow.
A for apron. E for easel. I for ice cream. O for overall. U for unicorn. Did you hear that? It was taking the name of the letter. A. Apron. E. Easel. I. Ice cream. O. Overall. U. Unicorn. Yay! Good job. You did a fabulous job today. So next time we are going to continue with more letters that begins with a short vowel sound. So see you next time. Goodbye. Circle time is over. Circle time is over. We'll see you next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.